are going to make a simple and easy bread today. It's ice cream bread. Any kind of ice cream will work. Doesn't have to be any particular flavor. Today we're using the Edie's chocolate peanut butter. You can use whatever you want. This is so simple. Probably a 5-year-old could do this. You're going to need 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to need 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. There's 1/4. There's 1. There's 2. And then you need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, you're going to take and you're going to mix this together. You can sift it together. You can whisk it together. However you want to do it. Just like that. Just making sure all your dry ingredients are incorporated together. Okay? And then we've got 2 cups of this chocolate peanut butter ice cream. And it's going to go in the bowl. Just like that. Then you're just going to take and you're going to combine it. My husband found this recipe while he was scrolling on the Facebook and said, "Ooh, you got to try that." So, we're trying it. I watched the video just so that I could get a good idea of what it was and what it looked like and all that fun stuff. And I was like, okay, it doesn't sound too horribly bad. It might be good. We don't know. So, I was like, I guess we're going to try it. Because I don't know if it's going to be good, bad, or indifferent. So, this is kind of a twist on... Not really a twist, just something that he wanted me to try. I've had several videos that I tried stuff that he wanted me to try. That just turned out horribly. Absolutely horrific. And then I've had others that have turned out not too bad. So, we live and we learn. We figure out what to do next on the next one. You want to make sure to get all of that ice cream out of your container. Get it all mixed up. It is going to be thick. I will tell you now, it is very, very thick. And all you're looking to do is just mix it until that flour mixture is combined into it. It is very sticky. As you would probably assume it would be, due to the fact that it's got ice cream and flour. And everybody knows when you put wet with flour, it tends to get sticky. Alright, there we go. It is all combined. Now we are going to take our spray. We're going to lightly spray our bread pan. You are going to take your mixture if you can get it off your spoon. And put it down here in your pan. That was cute. At least it didn't hit the dog or the cat, so we're okay. As I said in my description, you get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly of everything. And if that means me dropping stuff on the floor, well, I guess we're going to have a mess or we're going to drop stuff. It's just the way it goes. In my kitchen, I don't worry about dropping stuff on the floor. I have a dog and a cat. If I drop something on the floor and it's edible, pretty much they're going to eat it. Alright, you're going to get all of this goodness off of your spoon and your spatula the best you can. And you're going to smooth this out the best you can. Kind of even it out if you can. I will tell you, it doesn't look the greatest, but a lot of things I've made didn't look the greatest. So, after you get that, then you are going to get some chips, some chocolate chips, or peanut butter chips, or whatever you may have on hand.
I think you used them.
Not the many ones, I didn't. Alright, well, I guess I don't have any more.
In there?
So we're just going to put this in the oven like this. But you can add chips to it. You can add, mint chips. You can add chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, butterscotch chips, toffee chips, whatever you want to it. We're going to stick it in the oven for approximately 35 minutes. And when it comes out, we will slice into it and show you what it looks like. We will talk at you later. Ta-ta for now. Alright, y'all, this is ready to come out of the oven now. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't smell horrible. It actually smells halfway decent. We're going to let it cool before we take it out of the pan, and then we are going to let it cool completely before cutting into it. I'm actually going to see if I can get it out of the pan. Oh, look at that. Comes right out. Alright. But let it cool completely before you cut into it. Just like that. And we will, when we get ready to cut into it, I will show y'all what it looks like. Have a good afternoon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hi, y'all. We're back. Our bread has completely cooled now. So we're going to cut into it. And that is what it looks like. You can see the bits of peanut butter and chocolate from the ice cream. Just like that. Now the true test. Oh, that's really good. I thought it would be weird. It's not. It's really good. I think my husband will like it. I think it needs a little butter though. But it's very good. So, try this recipe out. See if your family likes it. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.